Yo boys, today we're going to be talking about things we can expect on the new upcoming car parking multiplayer update. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys how you can get this BMW X5M. But as usual, before we get into the video, shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe, and comment shout out. Okay boys, to start things off, I think the first thing we can expect on this upcoming update is the BMW G87 M2, as well as the Mercedes-Benz 500e, because both of these cars were added on the latest update of Car Parking Multiplayer 2. And if you guys haven't noticed, over the past couple of months, the devs have been reproducing the same content for both games. For example, when they added snow to CPM 2 for Christmas, they also added it to CPM 1, and in February, they removed it from both games. Also, if you guys remember correctly, when the Tropica map got added to CPM 1, it's also got added to CPM 2. It literally doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out what's going on. The developers are having a hard time focusing on two games simultaneously. So the only way they can keep up with the monthly updates for both CPM 1 and 2 is by recycling the same content. Anyways, as y'all know, the Car Parking Multiplayer 1 update was supposed to be released like a month ago. And whenever the developers delay the update by over a month, they always add a lot of new stuff to the game. Additionally, I think we might get the new Nürburgring racetrack that was added in CPM 2, the car crash character ragdoll physics, and they might remove the football stadium located in City 1. But don't get too excited yet, boys, because we'll probably have some more bugs and lag. With that being said, let me know in the comments section what you think should be added on this new upcoming update. Also, to those of you guys who are subscribed and always show some support to the channel, thank you so much, my Pookie Bears. I really appreciate the support, and I read all the positive and encouraging comments you guys write. And lastly, from the bottom of my heart, I love each and every one of you, and thank you so much for 7,000 subscribers. Now, at the beginning of the video, I told you guys I'd show you how you can get this BMW X5M. Well, you'll first need to open your Google Play Store and download Telegram, create an account, then click the first link on this video's description, which will take you into the Cookus server. And that's where you guys can download this mod and many other CPM car mods. Just make sure that you delete CPM before downloading the mod, because you can't have both apps installed at the same time. This mod comes with unlimited money, coins, all cars unlocked, and it has these 4 cars that aren't on the original car parking. And yeah, that'll be it for today's video, boys. Thanks for watching and stay sexy. Peace.